you're new here, my name is Ivy the African Mom. So today we're still locked down and I'm going to make beef sauce. So I said, okay, why not bring you guys to the kitchen to show you how I'm going to make this beef sauce for lunch. So today, you want to see something? Okay, so if you're new here, I'm always coming on with a surprise. You want to see my see that? Yeah. If I don't get it on, I won't be in the kitchen. Okay, so today I'm going to make Asian beef sauce. So we're going to be using some beef. I'm going to cut it into slices. Slices. And with this sauce, these are all the ingredients we'll be needing for the beef sauce. We need flour, egg, tomato, garlic, all this garlic. We need all this ginger, onions, and then pepper, oregano, salt, cube, and then this is our oyster sauce for the sauce. And this is our beef. I'm going to cut it slices. Guys, okay, so you heard that. So when I finish cutting and cleaning, I'll show you how little it is after cutting. Okay, I'll show you, or maybe I can show you how to cut it from the start. I'll show you little bits of it. Okay, we're also going to be needing some spinach. I'll steam it, and then when the sauce is ready, I'll mix it with the sauce. Okay. Thin layers, thin. So guys, this is how you cut it. So I'm going to go off camera, and when I'm done cutting and I'm going to clean it, I'll show you the cleaning part too. I'll clean with salt, soak it in salt and clean it real good. So this is what I got out from the meat. I took out all the fat, you see. So now it's clean and nice. I'm going to sprinkle salt on it and soak it for like 2-3 minutes and then rinse it. And then when I'm seasoning, I'll show you the seasoning part. So I'm done cleaning my meat, my beef. See how clean it is? I clean it with salt and warm water. You always have to clean your meat. And then we're going to use one yolk. I'm going to break the egg, and it's just the yolk we want. Just egg yolk. And then you put it on the meat. We put the yolk, and then we need some pepper because we're going to cover it for like 15 to 20 minutes. So now you need your black powder. You need your oregano. We're seasoning our meat, and we need some cube and a little smooth garlic to mix it. So now we're going to mix it, and we need a little salt. Nice, beautiful, and clean. Now we need some oyster sauce here to mix the meat and some flour. So when we cooking it, we make the sauce. It will be a little like creamy. It won't be watery because of the egg and the flour. So now we're going to mix it good, and then we'll cover it
for a little bit.
Yeah, for a little bit. Then we start cooking. You can add another one for the sauce to be creamy. Yeah, see? That's it. Yeah, all done. So we'll cover for like 10-15 minutes, and we'll come back. Cover it, let it sit for 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes is fine, and then we'll come back and start cooking. So we're back it's been like 20 to 30 minutes now, and it's time to make our sauce. And while I'll be making the sauce, I have my spinach here. I'm going to just steam it half and half and add it in my sauce. When the sauce is almost like done, I'll add it to it. So I put the spinach on medium. I have healthy oils here to cook with. I have avocado oil and I have grapeseed oil. So I think today I'll use this one. As you know, always little oil, little. See, just little oil. And we need green pepper too. I forgot about that one. So this is it. And guys, see how I cut my ginger? Yeah, you just slice this flat. And this is my garlic. I use the wooden spoon to just crush it. Yeah. So I'm letting my oil heat up. And today sauce, we're going to be eating it with plain rice. I wanted to make some, how do you call it? Fried rice, but time is running. We have to eat. So I'm going to be boiling some rice and I'm going to roast some plantain to roasted. We're eating healthy today, not fried. So I'm going to go ahead and put my garlic and then my ginger. Woo-hoo. And then right away you can add your meat to stir fry, to cook. It's a lot of meat with ginger. You see the view right here, guys? Yeah. So there's steam, so you can't even see inside. So yeah, I'm still cooking the meat, just cooking it for a little while. So I'm going to go back. I'll cover it to cook a little and then we'll come back and continue. I switched my cooking pot. I'm making it in a flat pan. So because this thing needs to cook well. So this is my rice here. We're going to have the sauce with plain rice. So here is it. I'm making 3 cups for 4 people. I just put little butter, small butter on it just to cook. Just small butter. So rice is cooking and then I'm going to make some roasted plantain. Guys, what do you see here? My beef sauce is popping. What view do you see here, guys? What view do you see here? Ooh, it's popping right here. Beef sauce with some spinach and some rice. Whoa, it's popping. See? So this is the garlic, the ginger, and the meat with some flour and yolk. And you see, the flour is making the sauce creamy. Yeah. That's what is popping here. My lunch. It's easy. So I brought you guys here to see, and then you make some for yourself. But you are invited. Wow. So right now I think it's fine. We can add green pepper. See? Woo. My kitchen, always the view here, it's popping. And then now we add the onion. See? Wow. And if you have dried oysters, dried ones, you soak it, just few of them, wash it well, and you can cut it and put it in. But I don't have some, so I just use my oyster sauce and a lot of beef. It's fine. The dried oysters too, oh my god, it's too good. With this sauce, you can just make it like this and add the spinach, or you can add tomato too in your sauce. If you don't want tomato, then you can just do it like this, let it cook well, and then you add your spinach. So now I'm going to add my tomato. Wow. What view do you see here? Hawaiian view. Hawaiian. Red, green, yellow, white. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, just look at this view right here. We're going to add some crushed pepper now. Crushed pepper to make. I like my food spicy. And now you taste it before you add some salt, because we added some salt in the meat. I'm going to add some little more oyster sauce. So we're going to cover for it to cook, and we'll come back and finish it with our spinach. So stay tuned. So this is it. You see my sauce? Yeah, the sauce is ready now, and then we're going to add the spinach, and my rice too is ready. As you can see here, it's ready. So my plantain is still in the oven. When it's done, then I'll serve and show you guys finishing part, and we'll try it. Woo. Just like that. Yep. And then now I'm going to add my spinach. So this is my lunch right here. I brought you to my kitchen to show you. Make the same thing. Don't be going out too much to buy food. Please try. It's easy. Very, very easy. I'm going to cover it for a little bit and wait for my plantain to be ready, and then we'll serve and see. And guys, you see I have a good sauce here. There's not much oil. See, yeah, but my stew cooked. Everything cooked well. What do you see? Comment below and let me know. Wow. So I'm just going to cover a little and we'll come back and serve and we'll show you the finishing part. So I'm completely done now. I'm going to serve, and then I have a big taster here to taste my food today. So this is my rice, white plain rice. Yeah. And then I have some plantain here. I think I'll just take half now. Roasted plantain. We're eating healthy. And then I'm going to get some avocado here. And then this is the delicious, tantalizing, beautiful, and everything sauce I made. Wow.
Yeah, so good. I really thought that was for me, y'all. I thought it was for me.
Wow. So now, Nana, come show them what.
Okay, when is my job coming?
Try for us.
Yeah,
Nikki.
you're not.
Try and tell us how it tastes.
Okay, so let's try the avocado. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Let's try the stew. You know.
That's my food right there. So I'll give you yours. What do you think? Comment below.
Guys, what do you think?
Comment below if you like this video I did right here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and what?
Share.
And share. Bam, we're done. Delicious, delicious. Okay, join me now. It's my turn. Oh my God. Too good.
Hey! It'll be done before the end of the video.
This is the bombest bomb. Bye bye. I'm busy now. I'm busy. Mwah. Love